This is our CalFlame P4 grill. It's our #1 selling grill in the lineup. I'd like to introduce it to you. We're going to go through the whole construction of the P4 grill, which carries through the CalFlame line. Starting with the outside of the grill, it's 304 16 gauge stainless steel. Notice that the edges are all polished, nothing's folded over and spot welded together, and the unit also has a one-piece stainless steel handle. A lot of barbecue manufacturers use a 3-piece handle with chrome-plated brackets with the steel handle in the middle. You don't ever have to worry about anything flaking chrome-wise or anything coming off. Also, there's phenolic spacers behind the handle, which prevents any heat transfer into the handle of the grill. The barbecue grill hoods are double wall insulated. They have 2 layers of stainless steel. This does a couple different things for you. Number one, it locks the heat inside of the grill, makes it more efficient, and gives you a more even ambient temperature inside. Number two, it's also a safety feature to where if you accidentally touch it or bumped into the grill, it'll be warm to touch, but it won't burn you. Also, what it does is it prevents the grill from bluing and discoloring like you see in some of the lesser quality grills on the market. The grill comes standard with dual halogen lights. The lights are controlled by a marine grade stainless steel switch, which has an LED bezel to where the switch can be found in the nighttime. The unit comes also with a locking warming rack. You can lock it in the upright position where you don't have to remove it from the grill and set it to the side. You can keep it located right here for convenience. Also, this is our ceramic core filled back burner that gives you indirect heat while using your rotisserie. The grill comes standard also with a smoker box and a non-stick griddle tray. Moving further into the grill, the all CalFlame grills have a standard V-grate design stainless steel cooking grate. The V-grate design allows you to cook smaller items such as shrimps and vegetables without them falling through the grill. The burners in the CalFlame grill are protected by a V-grate stainless steel flavor bar. This allows the burner to be protected and reduces flare up. The burners are a solid cast stainless steel burner. Burners are 15,000 BTUs each per burner. Also moving a little further into the grill, we use a full stainless steel firebox, as well as if you look in the corners of the unit, it's all continuous seam welded. Again, there's nothing folded over and spot welded together in this unit. Going down to the ignition system, the first thing that usually fails on a grill is the igniter, and people say, how long is it gonna last? With the CalFlame grill, it has an igniter per burner. You simply turn the knob, light that burner to the next, till all 4 burners are lit. The knobs that control the grill are a solid cast stainless steel knob as well, so you never have to worry about it getting hard and brittle in the sun and breaking off. The unit also has a nice splash guard to keep the knobs and controls nice and clean. Moving further down, the unit has a solid full width and depth drip pan in the unit. We're taking a look at our G-Series grills. This G-Series grill happens to be a G4, which is the most popular amongst the G-Series grills. The G-Series grills also come in a G3 and they come in a G5. So you have 3 different sizing to choose from. They're constructed of double wall constructed hoods, 304 16 gauge stainless steel, continuous seam welded hoods, 1-piece stainless steel handle, stainless steel cooking grates, stainless steel flavor bars, and a cast iron porcelain coated burners, 15,000 BTUs each. This unit is a 60,000 BTU barbecue. The G-Series also features independent ignition for each burner. You can individually light each burner independently with this grill. Also features a full width and depth drip pan inside the unit as well. This is a great choice for commercial applications and residential as well. Calflame also offers a built-in charcoal grill. It's part of our G series. Inside of the grill, it has a solid cast firebox, which you can lower and raise to control the temperature of the grill. It also is manufactured just like our gas grills. It does have the double wall stainless steel hood, the locking warming rack, and this solid cast stainless steel cooking grits, as well as a full width and depth drip pan. G charcoal grill. This is our Calflame Top Gun grill. It's the flagship of the barbecue Calflame family. This grill is part of our convection series as well. Starting with the outside of this barbecue grill, it is the only grill in the Calflame family lineup that has a window that you can see through. This window is easy to clean. Don't worry, it's not going to turn black and get all smoky. It's actually a German precision piece of crystal. It's not as porous as a standard piece of glass, so it prevents it from getting dirty and it's easier to clean. When you're cooking at night with your halogen lights on, you can monitor your food and you can see your meat temperatures, and that prevents it from losing the heat as you open and close it. Also, when this is in convection mode, again, it's part of the convection family. When you turn the toggle switch, it turns your fan on. What it does is it pulls the heat from the back side of the grill, exits through the front, and creates a convection. This cooks twice as fast as a standard barbecue and prevents the food from drying out. This grill also has LED light bezels around the knobs, which is a standard feature only on the Top Gun grill, as well as this grill has a built-in integrated smoke box with its own dedicated burner.
A frequently asked question we have is how to best clean the drip pan.
Well, Rob, there's actually a common misconception. People have the tendency to want to use aluminum foil in their drip pan. The Calflame barbecue has a full width and depth drip pan, so it would actually take a lot of aluminum foil, which would be a big mistake because with the aluminum foil, the grease and oils have a tendency to actually puddle, and that's actually dangerous because it can cause a grease fire. What we recommend is you use actually a non-scented kitty litter that you can pick up at the grocery store or local hardware store. You can also go to a local auto parts store and get the oil absorbent material that people use for oil spills on the garage floor. You line it with a thin layer of the non-scented kitty litter or the oil absorbent. It collects and clumps the oils and greases, and then you can just simply dump the drip pan into the trash.
Oh, that sounds great. Good advice.
Thank you, Rob.
Matt, another question we have is how do you replace the light bulb if one burns out?
It's actually very simple with the Calflame grill, Rob. What you do is remove your drip or your warming rack, and believe it or not, there's actually no tools that are actually necessary to do this. You just simply pop off your light lens cover, pull the light bulb out, and place the new light bulb in. They are halogen bulbs, so they can't be touched with the fingers to get the oils from your fingers onto the bulb. They can cause the bulbs to go bad that way. And then you just simply pop the lens cover back on, and you're all set.
Simple enough. Another question we have, Matt, is how do you clean the cooking grates?
It's actually very simple with the Calflame grill. Our cooking grates are solid stainless steel, and with the patented V design, you can actually use any type of barbecue brush on this grill. You don't have to use a soft brass bristled grill brush on it that gets melted and clumps up into one solid piece. You can actually get a more aggressive stainless steel barbecue brush, and you won't have to worry about any porcelain or paint chipping off and coming off of the cooking grates.
One of the most popular questions we have, Matt, is how do you recommend cleaning the outside of the grill?
With Calflame, we actually offer stainless steel towelette wipes. There's 25 per container that'll last you a long time.
Now, do you recommend cleaning in a certain motion or just kind of wax on, wax off?
Actually, that's a great question, Rob. When using the stainless steel wipes, stainless steel is just like wood. It actually has a grain to it. You go with the grain when you're cleaning stainless steel. It has a grain just like wood. You don't want to go in circular motions. It'll put micro scratches in the stainless steel. So pay attention when cleaning. This goes horizontally, and sometimes when you get into the doors and other accessories, such as the refrigerator, they're vertical. So be sure to go with the grain of the stainless when cleaning.
Good advice.